Right, once you have the template, there are a couple of tools that you need to be familiar with in order to edit it. Okay, those tools are the editing pencil, add a page, and settings. First, we'll talk a little bit about the pencil. You would click on whatever page it is that you want to edit, right? And you'd click on the pencil, and you can see that it's going to open up the same type of a toolbar that Google Docs or any of the other Google products have. So as long as you're familiar with how to use these toolbars, you can easily edit your web page. The difference is it's got this HTML, and I'll remove formatting. So if I had a bunch of things set up and I really didn't like it, I could just highlight and hit this and it would remove all the formatting. If I wanted to embed something specifically with code that, if I knew HTML or wanted to add a like button for Facebook or something like that, I could click on this and it opens up the actual code and I could add code to it. Maybe some of your more savvy kids are going to know how to do that. But chances are you won't have too many students using that. All right. And when you're done editing, here, we'll just change out a picture here. We're going to remove Yum. Hey, Yum, I removed you. And we're going to add Katie instead. So we're going to go to Insert Image, and I've already got her loaded. Here she is. And I guess she was on, I guess I hit the Pinterest and hit OK. And I'll make her small again. What's nice is the editing tool bar that's with the pictures. If you move the picture, the bar moves right with it. All right, so there's my picture, there's my changes that I've made, and then I'm going to hit save. And now the picture or the page has been updated and edited and saved. All right, there's different parts to the web page, and if we click on settings and we go into edit site layout, you can see that we get another toolbar up here. Header, which is this right here. So when this toolbar is open, if I want to change something in the header, I would click in the header and I can change the alignment of the name, I can add logos, I can change pictures, I can, do all sorts of stuff. Again, I made this a really basic template, and so I'm not going to do too much with the header. The other thing is the horizontal navigation, and that's this right here. If I turn off the horizontal navigation and add the sidebar, you can see I still have that same navigation that I had across the top, only now it's over here, and it goes alphabetical. So it's a little harder to, I could go in and change this, but it tries to go alphabetical, so it's not as nicely set up. So I'm going to click on the horizontal and get rid of the sidebar. If I want to edit something in the horizontal navigation, you can see it's highlighted, and I can click on it. And this would be where I could add, if I created some sub pages under here, it's where I could add them. If I've already created the page, I can go into add a page, find the page that I want to add, and click OK. I'll go over that in a little bit. And that would be how I could add and delete. These are links in the horizontal. I could make a custom footer if I wanted, just by clicking on that, and here it is, edit custom footer. And I can change the site width and things like that. But again, with it just being basic, I'm not going to go in and mess with too much of that. The other, and you hit close, and okay, we have one more tool to cover, I'll cover that next.